So, sorry, there was a phone call came. That's why I was distracted from the video. So that was my first year. So about my college. Okay, it's a, if you knows that it's a techno part of Techno India group. And about my opinion, if someone takes the admission to my college, I will say you will, because the faculties are very good and it is up to you. It's not about the college. तो जो SRM में पढ़ेगा तो वहाँ से ही गूगल में ज्वाइन कर जाओगे, वो कोई बात नहीं है. हम लोगों का कॉलेज से भी होता है. So it's up to you. The students will verify, and it's all about your CGPA. If your CGPA is less than 6.5 or 5.5, bro, wherever you admitted, from Australia or from in India, only the top college, you will never get chance in any of MNC company. I am telling you. So it is about fully you, not your colleges. And my college, I also think when I was admitted in SIT, I will not get the job. But now I will definitely, I will 100% sure that it is up to you, the student. Because many of my friends are in Wipro, TCS, Capgemini. This time in my classes there is a strength only 65 students in IT, and most of them, 25 of them are being placed from now onwards on campus, are being placed. Are from, many of them are from off campus also. There is a full campus, right? Like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, Capgemini, then another company is also Sopra Steria, the first campusing. That was, I was not sit in that campusing because I was in Hyderabad for my mother's treatment. That's why I was not seated in that. One of my friend has seated in there, and he has got in that. And there are on campus like Amazon is also came there, Byju's, Extramark. Overall, you see the strength in my class, 25 of them are promoted, are been placed, and EC and CSC, many of the students, actually I don't know the how the, what is the ratio of total strength. That's why many of them are been placed this year. Not this year, every year they got the 100% placement. And many of the rumors told there is a no placement in our college and nothing. All are rumors. Actually, if you don't get placed, you will say, oh, कुछ नहीं होगा पर बीटेक करके कुछ नहीं होगा, ऐसे बोलते हैं सब लोग. मगर ये कोई बात ही नहीं है, क्यों नहीं होगा. And I was placed in Globes in Third Life, and I was in research analyst course. And this is when I was doing the job, right? There's a 1 month right now, it's a new job, but my luck is so bad due to COVID-19. I was doing the job from work from home, and you all know that now everyone is doing the work from home. So actually I was very satisfied. And the faculty, if you told what is the faculty, yes, the faculty is also very good. They are also very helping hand. The teachers of IT, I don't know the other department. Yes, EC teachers are also very good, because some of the teachers are also, when I do the lab from EC lab, the teachers are also very good from EC department. And the CSC is also very good. Everyone is very good, and the teachers are also very helping hand. And this time civil also get placed. Civil also get placed from Ambuja. Then many of the companies are, L&T is there, civils, many of the companies. Then Maruti Suzuki also came in our college. So this is up to you. What you will study in this 4 year, you will get that much of that. Nothing less, nothing more. And the BTech student, as a BTech student, I am a BTech student, I will say that engineers demands are always there. There is nothing, no work will be done from without us. If all the engineers will strike, no, then no one will, then the world will full stop, because we are the helping hand of the people, of the common people. So please respect the engineers. It's my opinion. And what I will say, that The best memory of my college in the college fest of 2018 when I was the member of that. That was I was in sixth sem, third year, sixth sem. We enjoyed a lot, but unluckily I didn't go to the social night, the Bollywood night. Bollywood night. It was in Seven Kingdom. It was also very good. The Rituraj, that time the Rituraj came, and I have done one training from Guwahati IIT in the year 2018 from artificial intelligence, and that training gives me a lot because now I am doing the artificial intelligence. So when I was put the certificate on Globsin, they told me what you have done, what you have did from IIT Guwahati in artificial intelligence. That time I said, sir, it was a 3 years training, 3 days training, not 3 years, sorry, 3 days training, and in there, sir, not we have to learn the basic, we have just learn the basics and not the depth, because sir, the 3 days only, sir, the basic we have to learn it, not the, that time my HR said, well, so if I do the job, you will handle all the project. I just said, sir, if you will hire me, sir, I will do my best part. And sir, if you, sir, guide me, sir, then sir, obviously, sir, I will do, sir. Why I will not, sir? Then he said, okay, uh, uh, just go outside, I will call you. And one more thing is that if you join the technical company like IT sector, because I am an IT student, I don't know what stream we will take, but it is IT, CSE, EC, both are same. In IT sector, when a student go, if he is a EC candidate, then he also do the same work, and if he is IT, then he also do the same work. And the non-technical company, it's very easy, like if you know the communication skill very well, and the GD round is very tough in non-technical, but the technical, the GD round is very easy. So there in the technical there are 3 rounds. In my company there are 3 rounds are there. Like first round is GD. So GD is they told very easy topic. My topic was that impact of artificial intelligence. So impact of artificial intelligence, the HR told me, not me, there are lots of candidates are seated in one table. I think most probably there was a 50 to 55 candidates are there. So everyone topics are same. So told just take a note, write one, take one pen and one paper and note it about impact of artificial intelligence. So and your time is only 5 minutes. So I have written the 3 points only. What is the impact of artificial intelligence? See that our nowadays artificial intelligence is very important. That you should know that, and everyone should know what is the artificial intelligence means, AI. That the car is also being highly modified, like remote controls and all the technology. So I have written the 3 points of that, and I have told it to sir. And that time I also didn't know that I will get the chance from the next round, because I think that my luck is not so good, and this time I also been rejected, because I have rejected from 5 companies. I have seated. This is my last company I have seated, because I have seated the 7 companies. 3 are non-technical and 4 are technical. And with 4 TCS are also there, but in TCS have not came in our college. It is pool campusing. So I have didn't crack the TCS round. I have disqualified in the first round only. And the Byju's also, this is a non-technical. The Byju's, when Byju's came in our college, they told there was a GD round, and GD round I have cleared. Then second round there is, I think there is PI round, and the PI round suddenly my name didn't came. Why they didn't came? They told that, oh sorry, we will only hire the girls only. There will no boys are being recruited. So I was very sad and I leave. Then my teacher, who is my teacher, Sudeep sir, he's a very helpful hand teacher, and he also told me, try the next, you will definitely get the job if you try. So it was in the month of October. after Puja, I went there for Byju's campusing. Byju's actually this is a non-technical company, but then also I went because in my psychology it doesn't matter it is technical or not. My psychology is that I want to get the job from my campusing only. It is technical or not technical, and the salary part I didn't get any because some boys and girls are also there. eh, कम सैलरी में भाई नहीं करेंगे, इसमें कम है उसमें कम है. मेरा कुछ नहीं था वो ऐसा. मेरा सिर्फ यही था, मेरे को जॉब लगाना है, इस जो भी मैं हूँ मेरे को जॉब चाहिए बस. सो आई डिडेंट गेट द जॉब फ्रॉम बायजूस. आई वॉज वेरी सैड. माई मदर कॉल. देन आई टोल्ड माई मदर I was rejected from there. Then I went to Kolkata. There was a campusing at Genpact. Not Genpact. It's a company name is Genpact something. It was in GNIT, Guru Nanak Institute of Technology. It's a pool campus. When I go there, it is around 9 o'clock, and I saw all the students are there. It is more about 120. More about 120. The auditorium is full of students. They didn't give us the seat also because the student full of student, and I was standing there because there no chair is left in the auditorium. So the campusing start near about 12 o'clock. So the first round is there is a the round is not a GD round. That time also it was a non-technical company because our time the technical company very less came. Only in my college 3 or 4 technical company came, and I was not seated any of the technical company because that time due to some of my personal problem I was not seated any of the campusing. After the month of October I was seated, and that time only non-technical company coming. It is our campus or it is a pool campus. So I went there, and the campusing start from 12 o'clock. So the first round they have selected 25 students from each. So my name came in the 4th or 5th, 25, and my one friend is also there with me. He also gone with me. So that topic was not a GD, but it is like GD only. It is like GD. So they have given the topic, I didn't remember. So they have given the topic, and the ma'am also told that time the ma'am taken our GD, not GD but like GD. So they also told given the topic, and told that within 5 minutes we should talk about that topic. So the 5 minutes gone, one by one the ma'am asks. Many of them have not speak any of thing. I have spoken. I thought that this time I will clear it, but I will not. When the result came, my name was not there. Then again the day after tomorrow, there was again one campusing in Techno Salt Lake Sector 5. That was a technical company. There was a round from interview. Technical round. First round is technical or technical round is there. Online technical round. So I have given that round, but the result will be declared after 1 month. Then that day only our train is there. Then I boarded my train and came to Alipurduar because the college given me a message that the same will start in the month of November 16. So I boarded to Siliguri only. Then in the month of November, my practical exam and all same. That time I was busy with that. Then after same over, and our luck is like that only. 2016 there is a demonetization. Then 18 another thing happened. So in 2019 when it is our 7th sem, cab is going on. So that time our exam has been postponed. So we went to our home, and January 7 they have rescheduled the exam. So again we have gone and given the exam. So in the last day, when the date is 10th, one mail came that one company is coming in our college, and that company name is Zaro Information. So first I think that no, I will not sit because इस बार भी नहीं होगा मेरा. So but what I think देख लेता है, एक बार बैठ के ही देख लेता है. So the next day there is a campusing round and it is also non-technical round. First time GD, then I have cleared the GD round. Then to I was very happy that I have cleared the first round GD. Then there's only two round is there, GD and PI. So the PI round talk with HR. So when I entered to the PI round, my HR asked me why you came here, because you are a technical student, you are from IT department, and why you came in our sales company, what is the reason behind that? I have told, sir, I have came here because, sir, you are hiring the BTech candidate only, sir, and in your requirements, sir, there is nothing, there is written that there is IT you will not take, and you will not take the technical student also. So he has also appreciate my answer. Then he told, okay, can you tell me the difference between BMW and Nexa? I have told, sir, yes, sir, the main difference is that there is a price difference, sir. The BMW price is, sir, more than not more than, sir, 5 or 6 lakh, 7 lakh, 10 lakh, sir. But the Nexa car, that is, sir, the car which is going, sir, that Baleno, sir, you will get it only, sir, 9 to 10 lakhs, sir, and the top models are 12 lakhs or not. So then he told me, no, if the client came and said, no, I will purchase the BMW, then you have to purchase him the Baleno. Why? He will take Baleno. Then that time I told, sir, he will take, how will you convince them? My HR asked me, how will you convince them? So that time I asked, sir, I will convince her that Baleno's mileage and all. Then I have told many of the things. I will told many. Then he told, okay, go, I will call the result afterwards. After everyone will complete it, then I will call the result. So I was seated, it was around 6 o'clock in the evening. The result didn't declare, and my father was calling where I am, where I was, because the next day there is my train. And I thought, if the campusing is over, today only I will go to Alipurduar. So he was calling me, but I didn't receive the call because I was in that room. And at around 6:30, again the result came. That was a PI, the final. I went to the final round, and that time also there are two girls are selected, because girls' priority is always there. So I am not poking to girls. It's a part of joke, but only two girls are selected because it's a sales company and they will recruit only two girls. So that time also नहीं हुआ है. फिर I came to my rent home where I live. Then the next morning I boarded to Kanchankonda Express and I went to Alipurduar, and I have thought myself that I will not sit any of the campusing right now because my luck is not good, because I was so upset because I was selected the final round, at that time I was rejected. So I have prepared my mind, I will not do any of the campusing. So it was the month of January, in the Saraswati Puja, I went to home. Next day it was Saraswati Puja, and like goes it is going, I was very depressed. Why I was not getting the job? I went to many small companies like Hyundai sales boy and all. I have visited there, because that time I was very depressed. So in the month of February 25th, I think, I was sitting in one of the startup company. It was an offline campusing. So they called me. There is an interview on tomorrow. Please come. It was in Siliguri. Siliguri's Wayvel IT Park. It was a small startup company. They called me that please come and give the interview and bring your CV. Startup company, but it's a technical company. And please bring your CV and 2 passport size photo. So I visited there in the morning, 6 o'clock. That day only, the campusing day only, I visited. Not a campusing, it's just an interview, because it's not a college campus, it's a off campusing. I went to the bus at 6 o'clock. That time I also didn't know that I will get the job or not. But देख ही सकता है ना, तो इसलिए मैं चला गया था। तो at around 11 o'clock I went to I uh, went to Siliguri Junction bus stand, Siliguri Junction bus stand. Then I didn't take any food, or I just bring one water and one biscuit, and then I eat it in the auto only. Then I visited to their place where they have told me that the interview will be gone. The interview will be going on the city center first floor building. So it is around 12 o'clock. I went there. So I went there and I submitted my CV, and the sir told me that okay, wait outside, I will call you at 12 o'clock. And there are many candidates are also there. 10 to 15 candidates are also seated beside me. They are also BTech candidate and some are MBAs also. But the post is my technical. So seated, when my name will came, I will go there. So suddenly my name came at 2 o'clock. The HR told me, okay, come. So I have carried all my document and I went to their room. So they told me, you have came in our startup company. The reason behind that you have not didn't get chance any of your campusing. I said honestly, I said no sir, I didn't get any of the company right now. So he said, why I have not got any of the company? I said, sir, I think that my luck is not good, and I have done my best. Why I have not, sir, I don't know, sir. So he told me, okay, do you know what is the criteria of our company? I said, sir, I actually didn't know anything about your company. I have know that it's a startup company and it's a learning based company, and you are also doing the AI and ML part. So the second HR, not the HR, he is the director of that startup companies. He told me that okay, Orithro, if I send you that Gurgaon, you will go to that Gurgaon, and if your salary is not so high. I have said okay, yes sir, I will immediately join to that place. I have no I have no such thing that if the salary is high or not, I will join. So they have discussed many of the thing, and they have told me that what is C language, C part and Java part. They have given me one coding also, how to print something, how to print what they have given, how to print the star pattern, how to print the pattern and all they have given. Okay, then the interview is over. They have taken my interview near about 50 minutes. Okay, so after that they told me, okay, sit outside, we will call you the name afterwards. So again the other candidates also go on there and they have given the interview, and in the 4 o'clock they have chosen me and one of the girl that to hire. They have hired me. So they have given me the offer letter and they told me, please discuss with your parents, will you do the job or not. That time though I was very happy that I have got the job in off campus. But then I called my parents. My parents also told they have no issues if I do the job. They have no issues. So then then the tomorrow, then suddenly one mail came from my college that the tomorrow Globescene is coming again. Globescene has came in the month of October. That time I was not seated in that campusing because there was some of my personal problem. I have already told you that was. So again it is coming. So that time I thought that if I join today, then I will not sit in the company because there is a 1 year bond. So I have told my HR, sir, give me 1 day time. I will told you in the next day. That my HR said, okay, just take my number and you will call me if you do or not. Oh, I have said, sir, I will do from Monday, sir, but I will told you tomorrow definitely. He told me okay. Then I went and I again came to my house where I my rent house. Then the next morning is the Globescene campus drive. it was at my college. Then I called my sir, who is the placement teacher. I called. He said, "Yeah, you should try this. This is the last campusing of our college. You should try, and this is the technical company. You should try." Hmm. So I have think, okay, let's try. Then the morning came. I dressed up. I put at my blazers and all. Like, but that day I didn't wear the college uniform because I thought that the college uniform is very unlucky for me. Because when I wear that uniform and when I going to the campusing, every campusing I was rejected, just rejected. So that day I was not wearing my college uniform. I was wearing formal shirts and formal pants. So I went to there again. I have taken my CV, my all documents from 10, 12, first year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, sixth year. I have taken all of it. I went there. I went to the college. I have seated. When I was went to the when I was went to the college at around 9:30 I think, and the campusing will start from 10:30. That time I have saw no one came. Then at around 10 everyone is coming. Then तो मैंने सोचा मेरा अभी इस बार भी नहीं होगा क्योंकि इतना सारा आ रहा है, मेरा कैसे होगा. So I was just seated and I think, okay, if I will reject it from there and I will go to my home and I will join that startup company from Monday. Because I have didn't bring my laptop, without preparation I came, so I went to my home, all my luggages and all I will take it. So that's why I will today only I will go there, and I will bring all the things and all, and I will join from Monday the startup company, the small company. But then also it's my I get the job, so I will do the job for my experience, because the freshers candidate, I am the freshers candidate, and this is the last campusing of my college. The college will not give any of the campusing right from next time, because my all juniors will promoted from fourth year. So in the month of May or June they will get the chance. So our chance is completed. So this is the last chance of mine. So I was seated in the garden. There is a beautiful garden in our college, so I was seated there, and I didn't taken any foods from the canteen and all. One of my friend told me, please, I was very hungry, so I will take the food. But I told him, no, I will not take any food. I will take the lunch afterwards. So I was seated, and the sir called everyone to sit in the auditorium. So I have seated. There was a J.C. Bose Memorial Hall, our auditorium name. So I was seated there, and there was attendance sheet. Who will sit in the campusing? There was an attendance sheet, and I have given my attendance to that sheet. Then there also the first round is GD. So they have allotted 10 students from 1 by 1. 10 students are allotted. So my name, I think, this time my name came in the first round only. First round. So again I visited there. The HR told me the impact of artificial intelligence, which I have told you earlier. So I have given that one.